one more tutorial for you. This one is how to make a withdrawal. The company charges 7% to make a withdrawal, and you need to make a withdrawal of a minimum $100 or 100 points. Withdrawals only happen Monday to Friday, and they ask for up to 72 hours to pay. Nowadays they are paying much faster, just to make the clients happy. So very easy. Here you just logged in, you go to the dashboard, and as you can see I have 104 points here. You go, make sure that you already have a wallet on the system, so go to Bitcoin address, there's the wallet. If you want to change it, there's another tutorial, or just put the new one, click save, receive the email, put the code, and that's it. So to make a withdrawal, go to financial, then withdraw, and then send the request. Here I'm gonna do a withdrawal of 104, and then I'm clicking on send the request, and they send me an email with the code, the verification code I received on the email. Add the verification code and then press on send request, and that's it. Your withdrawal has been requested successfully. It needs 72 hours and I'm left with 70 cents. And that's it. As you can see here, this is my third withdrawal already. So I've made the withdrawal, and about 16 hours later I received the bitcoins on my wallet. As you can see here, I received this amount. So let's go ahead on the financial and withdraw, and let's trace it for you to see. So it's 96, and let's check the hash. Now let's look for my wallet in the hash. Here is my wallet, and look at the 102649, exactly this amount that we see here, 102649. So this is proof that the company is paying. That's withdrawal and proof on the same video.